I'm Mike Chinelli for Viva Campus English. Welcome to everyone. I hope that you're going to enjoy this training film. It's been designed specifically for you. First of all, it will help you with pronunciation in English. Second, by you getting strong, it will help your children and of course your school, because your English program will be first class. We hope that you are going to enjoy every minute. Rebecca Lynn will be talking very soon, and she will give you a lot of helpful hints to better English in Campus English. Thank you very much. Let's begin. This is Viva Campus English. Viva Campus English. Repeat again after me. Viva Campus English. Good. Volume 1. Volume 1. Breaking the Ice series. Breaking the Ice series. Unit 1. Unit 1. Let's begin. As you turn before chapter 1, you have a nice page, and it says, let's begin. Everyone again, let's begin. Wonderful. Then we turn to chapter 1. Chapter 1, a bilingual school. A bilingual school.